Hey folks, welcome back to the Backyard Railroader. Well, today's actually been the nicest day in a couple of weeks. It just got nice. It's been raining, very cold. I've done a bit of work on the layout, not much. I bought some track not too long ago, and so I was able to put some track around my train shed I built. So I'll give you a look at that. And I'll show you what I've been doing in the house. So I've laid more track. I've gone from here, coming around, and into the shed. Okay, well, you've seen that, so let's go in the house and I'll show you what I've been doing in the house. So I'm using the rust paint, wetting down the truck, and then I'm dipping in the paintbrush into the pigment, and then going back over the truck with the darker pigment just to make the rust heavier. Now I'm working on the side of the train, just adding some rust, adding little rings of rust around the bolts, rivets. Just using the rust paint here. Get it to pool up around the bases of the rivets, handrails. Now with weathering the letters, I'm just brushing again the rust paint over the letters, doing it lighter in some places and darker in the other places. Now I'm going to try my hand at weathering the wood. I'm going to give it a
kind of a light grayish color to it. So I'm putting down a base primer coat and then painting the texture of the wood. And now I have to do some darkening, tinting, kind of make stains where the coal and coal dust would have settled.
Okay, folks, well, that's all I got for you for today. My next video, I'll be doing more weathering on the actual train engine, and I'll also be working on my layout a bit, cleaning the track and stuff. So stay tuned for that, and remember, folks, keep the hobby alive, talk about trains, and stay safe. See you later. Bye-bye.